Ready to spice up your video? In this part, we're adding animations, auto captions, and effects that'll make your edits pop, bounce, and sparkle. If you want your text to dance and your videos to flow like butter, stick around. Let's make editing fun. Add text animations. CapCut lets you animate your text with just a few clicks. 1. Select your text box. 2. Tap animation, then choose from. In, how the text enters. Out, how it exits. Loop, continuous effects like bounce or shake. These animations help your text stand out and keep the viewer's attention. Adding auto captions, subtitles. Want to automatically generate subtitles from your voice or dialogue? CapCut can do it for you. 1. Go to text greater than auto captions. 2. Choose the audio track you want to convert into captions. Select the language spoken in the video. Tap Start, and CapCut will automatically transcribe your audio and place matching subtitles on your timeline. You can then edit any words that were transcribed incorrectly. Style the captions just like normal text. Change font, size, color, etc. Time them precisely by adjusting the caption blocks on the timeline. This is perfect for tutorials, interviews, or increasing accessibility for viewers who watch with the sound off. Now your video not only sounds great, but also communicates clearly with text that pops. Up next, let's make it visually dynamic with transitions and effects. Now that your clips are trimmed, your audio is added, and your text is in place, it's time to add some visual flair. Transitions and effects can make your video flow smoothly and stand out. Adding transitions. Between clips, transitions help blend one clip into the next. Instead of abrupt cuts, transitions like fades, slides, and zooms create a smooth flow. Here's how to add them. 1. Look at your timeline and find the small white box between two clips. That's where you can add a transition. 2. Click on the box and a transition menu will pop up. 3. Browse the categories like basic, fade in, fade out, black fade, etc. Camera, zoom in, pan, rotate. Slide, left, right, up, down. Effects, glitch, pixel, dissolve, blur. 4. Tap or click on a transition to preview it, then select it to apply. 5. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its edges on the timeline. Use subtle transitions for professional videos like fade or slide, and save dramatic ones like glitch or spin for creative content like reels or trailers. Adding video effects. Want to enhance a clip with color filters, motion effects, or visual overlays? CapCut has you covered. 1. Select the clip you want to add an effect to. 2. Tap on effects from the main toolbar. 3. You'll see two types. Video effects. These apply to your video as a whole, e.g., shake, blur, sparkle, vintage. Body effects. These apply effects to people detected in the frame, e.g., neon outlines, fire, wings. 4. Browse through the categories and tap to preview any effect. 5. Click the check mark or plus to add it to your video. Once added, the effect appears as a layer in your timeline. You can adjust its length by dragging its edge. Change its intensity or settings depending on the effect. Don't overdo it. A few tasteful effects can boost engagement, but too many can distract from your message. Now, your video doesn't just tell a story, it flows beautifully and looks visually stunning. Next, you're ready for the final step, exporting and sharing your creation with the world. You've made it to the final step. Your video is edited, polished, and ready to share with the world. Let's walk through how to export, save it, and share it online or with friends. Export your video, save it. Once you're happy with your project, 1. Look at the top right corner of the CapCut interface and click the Export or Export Video button. it may look like an upward arrow or just say export. 2. A settings panel will pop up where you can choose resolution. This affects the quality. Choose 1080p for high quality videos. Frame rate, leave it at 30 FPS unless you need something specific. File size, higher quality equals bigger file. You can preview the size before exporting. 3. Once your settings look good, click Export. CapCut will now render your video. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on the length and complexity. Save a high-quality version to your device so you can repurpose or upload it to multiple platforms later. Share your video. After exporting, you'll usually see a screen offering options to share your video directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or simply save it to your device or computer. Click the platform you want, log in if necessary, and follow the prompts to upload. If you're posting on social media, write a catchy caption, include hashtags, and use a thumbnail that grabs attention, backing up your project. Before you close CapCut, consider saving your project file, not just the exported video. This lets you come back and make edits later without starting from scratch. 1. Go to your project menu. 2. Choose Save Project or ensure autosave is turned on. That's it. You've successfully edited, enhanced, and shared your first video using CapCut. Whether it's a vlog, tutorial, promo, or creative project, you now have the skills to bring your ideas to life with confidence. Ready to take your editing skills to the next level? Click the link below to download free CapCut templates, pro editing tips, and bonus tutorials that will supercharge your content creation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and join our creator community for more free tools and tutorials. Keep creating, keep sharing, keep growing. You've got this.